So my friend, I am working with almost 50 plus clients and I have a lot of experience and I always asked them what is the secret. I even work with 8 figure, 6 figure, 7 figure dropshippers. So by my experience in 5 years as a dropshipping supplier, I have noted everything how you can make a 0 to 100k USD dropshipping business in 30 days from scratch, from totally scratch. So I know you are a beginner dropshipper, you don't have any knowledge or experience, so just follow my systems and my research. And it can be a paid course, but no, I'm giving free my dropshippers because I build a good relation with them, and I slowly I note it all of the resource secrets to how to make a good dropshipping business profitably. So just follow this video, okay? Number one, phase one is foundation, day 1 to 3, okay? Set up fast and clean. So it means you are going a challenge, a 30 days challenge, that you will make a 100k dropshipping business. So that's why your first step is store setup and the payment gateway and some apps like Reconvert, Upsells, Clavio, Looks, Track 1 to 3 tracking. Okay, so this is the very common basic apps. And Shopify store with premium theme. If you are not avail or not budget for premium theme, you can use free themes like Dawn theme, Refresh, no problem. So I am here writing like free, like Dawn and Refresh. Okay, Refresh. So your goal, store ready to sell in 3 days. This is the 3 days goal. Don't overbuild, speed perfection. Okay, so phase 2. So in here I am showing you some main phase or steps. Just follow this. Okay, winning product hunt 1 to 5 days. So look for product with mass appeal, wow factor. Yes, it's very important. My dropshippers always giving me these suggestions for the upcoming new dropshippers. This is the very importance. A viral potential on TikTok Reels, because TikTok and Reels is very popular and trending. So just find products from there, no problem. And 25 to $60 selling price, room for 3x markup. So like $25 if the product cost, then 3 is to 25, like yeah, 75. It's not bad. But the selling price, which is 25 to 60, is a good dropshipping product price or range, and the customer always love to buy under 100. But if 25 to 60, which is very best, because they don't overthink to spend this budget, no problem. They can spend this budget, no problem, my friend. So number 4 is solves problem, keyword trend driven. Yes, the product should be much the problem solving, which is sleep, pets, fitness, gadgets. I recommend sleep, fitness and pets. Okay, but gadget is very high competition niche. So just this niche is very working, okay, right now. So proven demand, check the TikTok made me buy it, PPS Pie, Mania, Amazon Movers and Shakers. You don't need to the paid tools like PPS Pie. These are paid tools. Just search on Meta ads or TikTok made me buy it. This is a product. Okay, the product name. So how, I mean, the product, the customer is commenting. If the comment is good, then you can also see the winning product list, some videos that I am showing how you can validate a product for like which is very high demand by reading the comment. Okay, so next goal, pick one product with winning potential, not 10. Yes, only one product is enough. I see a lot of beginner dropshipper, they fail because they go with lot of products. They don't know what they will sell. They just find lot of products, they start these products, but the algorithm or the marketing systems is very confused on that what product they will sell. That's why one product is enough. Phase 3, creative testing, day 4 to 10. So we are almost like the three, like, yes, like 4 to 10 days it's already done or gone. So our goal is to creative testing. So order sample, shoot custom TikTok reels videos, UGC styles. It's the first marketing systems. You will buy a product, a sample in your house, or no problem, whatever your friend also can make, or influencer, then shoot custom TikTok reel videos. Okay, if no sample, grab ad creatives from spy tools and edit into variations. So if you cannot buy the sample, no problem, you can also make the ad creatives from the paid tools, or like TikTok, just take the videos and recreate by editing, sounding, texting. That's it. So make 3 to 5 short hooks. I cannot believe this works. It's hooks. You need this for better sleep. POV, you cannot sleep at night. So this is the hooks. By see the text, the customer will be more attract with the product, and they will buy. So next, your goal is within these 10 days, the creative is ready for ads. Okay, so in these 10 days, your goal will be just make the good creative, and then we will go to the phase number 4, is launch ads within 6 to 12 days. So ad strategy, TikTok ads or meta ads. TikTok is better for virality. Campaign, CBO campaign budget optimization, you know it is. I mean, your budget will be, if the product cost is $60, so daily budget will be $60. Okay, so test 5 to 10 creatives with 20 to 50 day each. Kill losers in 24 to 48 hours. ROAS is the under 1, scale winners. If the ROAS, if the 1% or around 1.5, then which is very very good, this is the winner. So you can scale it. So KPI, CTR 1.5%, CTR mean click through, okay, rate, CPC, cost per click. So if 1.50, so it's very very good. CTR 1.5%, it's also very good. Break even ROAS, selling price, so divided COGS, I mean cost of goods, plus ad spend. So if selling price is like $50, so divided your cost of goods if like $5, so then plus ad spend will be $10. Okay, so this is a break even ROAS. And find 1 to 2 winning ads with positive ROAS. Okay, if a winning ad is working well, I mean if 1 or 2 winning ads you found, its ROAS very very good, okay, I mean it's 1% above or over, then it's very very good. We can scale these ads. So number 4 is scale fast, day 12 to 30. Increase budget daily 20 to 30% if profitable. Okay, you already found a product or winning ads that is profitable 20 to 30%, and then you should budget your advertising cost. Okay, duplicate winning ads into new CBOs. Okay, so you will duplicate these winning ads, okay, into new CBO, campaign budget optimization. And lookalike audience, meta or interest stacking TikTok. So then you will retarget which audience already come to your store, and then you will target them. So introduce upsells is equal to cross sales. So boost AOV, I mean you boost AOV means average order volume. So you will upsells or cross sales, no problem. It means you should boost your AOV. If your product cost is $20, so or another product cost is, if bundle, I mean or another product is $30, so AOV is means $15. So that's why you should boost, okay, your AOV. So start retargeting abandoned cart viewed product. So then you will start retargeting. So scaling formula, if one ad set spend $50 and makes $200 4x ROAS. Yes, so duplicate at $100, $200, $500 budgets. Aim for, so then when you will invest more advertising, then Facebook or other platform will give you more and more revenue. So it means that 4x ROAS. So if you spend $50, then suppose you are getting $200 ROAS, then you will invest more ads. So $100, so it will be like $400. Okay, aim for 3 to 5k a day ad spend with consistent 2 to 3x ROAS by week 3 to 4. Okay, so in this format ad budget, so your goal will be 3 to 5k a day. Okay, and ad spend consistent 2 to 3x ROAS. So goal 100k revenue milestone before 30 days. Phase number 6, back end profits ongoing. Set up Klaviyo flows, abandon cart, browse, abandon, post purchase upsells, email campaigns 2 to 3x per week, retarget ads 10 to 15% of ad budget. So this adds 20 to 30% extra revenue without more ad spent. Okay, so you got it. So this is the 6th phase, and I have researched a lot with my expert dropshipper, and by 6 months, okay, by researching, asking them a lot of questions. So this is the my notebook, and I have listed this. Okay, so if you also need this, just comment below or contact me personally, then I will also exactly help you step by step. Okay, aim for